Oh my God. They just dropped it outside and told me that it was here. They didn't even ring my bell. Now to go outside and get the second half. Oh, finally got the second half. This is gonna be fun to set up. The reason why this was such a big deal is because for the longest time, I'd been sleeping on a mattress that was sunken in the middle. During COVID, when I moved to Sydney, I actually had to dismantle the frame when I was living in Melbourne, and I forgot the middle beam, which led to me creating my own beam. However, I don't think that lasted very long because simply what ended up happening was that the middle started caving in. And I just kind of dealt with it for like, I don't know, a year. So I finally downgraded to a single, it's with a company called Ecosa. Now, it's not sponsored this video at all, but I do just want to say this probably wasn't the best experience, but that's okay. We have it now, so let's get it set up. Happy 2026 and goodbye 2025. To kickstart this year, I'm gonna be starting all of my posts on this page. I'm gonna be uploading all of my new vlogs and anything that I do throughout the year for 2026. That is the goal that I've set myself. And to kickstart it, I have been without a bed for about 2 weeks. And so we'll make that 3 weeks. And it's finally arrived. I've had the mattress in there waiting for the frame this whole time. Now the frame's finally here. Now excuse the mess. I did clean up my room. I actually renovated my room a couple weeks back and I sort of moved things around just in preparation for this frame. But like I said before, it didn't arrive on time. So this has sort of just been how my room has been. All of these covers are for a queen size bed. So they are somewhat no longer needed, but knowing myself, I'm just probably gonna pack them away and save them for another time. So now that I've got everything in my room, I'm gonna start assembling it for you here. The one that I actually went with was like the brown oak. I've always dreamt of having that sort of brown black aesthetic when it comes to anything that I have in my room. I do like that brown and black aesthetic. So this is the beginning of all that. I'm not gonna lie, I really do enjoy how much packaging is in here. I mean, it is all cardboard, which is great for the environment, but also just how much of it is like, there's no gaps. Kind of reminds me a little bit of IKEA. But it's much better quality, I think. It's solid. This is probably the main reason why I got this. This is such a blessing. You have no idea how many times I've moved house. Having this as one piece, as part of your support, is so helpful when loading into cars, loading into vans, just for moving and even just storage. Like, goodness me. I hate those ones that are like, you know, all tied together with string and stuff, like, or like fabric. That was what my old one was. Not fun. This, pretty good. I mean, to be honest, this is probably equivalent to how much I sleep on the old bed. Like I literally like, yeah, that's me measuring it with my foot. Stick around for the end of this video to find out my thoughts on all of this. Bro, this bed is so cute, bro. So small. It's like a little kid's bed. I mean, I'm 179 centimeters tall, so as long as my feet don't like hang off the edge for someone to like pull while I'm sleeping, I think I'll be all right. Just to bring you in a little closer here, there's a little locking mechanism there, so Basically that's gonna go in there and it hooks onto this area. So the cool thing about this is that I don't actually need any tools other than maybe my strength, and maybe scissors to cut open the box. But yeah, all in all, this is user friendly. Don't get me wrong, the smart thing to do would probably be to remove the washers. I like this though. I like how compact it is. I mean, I've been so used to having such a queen size bed in such a small room. For once I have an easy to pack, put away bed. I mean, I don't have to break my back trying to pick up the mattress on its own. It's awesome. Now to put these in. It does have arrows, so you know which way is up. And there you have it. Frame's all done. It's a lot lower than I expected, but okay, so my thoughts on the bed. I haven't actually used it yet, so a bed is a bed. I mean, it's gonna be comfy, it's gonna be soft. I got the, I believe it was the medium firm. The one thing I do want to touch on is the sort of delivery experience that I had. Now, when I ordered the bed, they said it was gonna be available by December 12th, which is 2 weeks after I ordered it. I ordered it around Black Friday just because of all the sales. Only one item arrived, and on top of that, I did ask for recycling my old mattress, which came before my new one did. So that was a bit interesting. I was without a bed for about 3 weeks. Luckily, I did go up to see my mum. Once again, I had to push back my delivery because there was no set date. So after the 12th had passed, there was a date that was set around the 21st or 22nd, but I wasn't gonna be in town. So I did message them and I said, hey, look, can you please postpone this delivery because obviously I'm not gonna be here. I initially thought that it was gonna arrive by the 12th, which is what you advertised, and it did not. So luckily, the support team was really good at actually moving that date to the 29th. However, when the 29th came, they still didn't have a date. So they did say that it was up to the courier, the people who were delivering this, to basically just drop it off whenever, and I just had to hope for the best that I was home. Luckily for me, today was my day off, so I did get it. What I can say is that it wasn't very transparent, so that's probably my only feedback for you guys. If you are watching this, awesome packaging, really cool bed. I like the assembly, it was pretty straightforward. But outside of that, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go take a sleep on this after I freshen up, and I'll see you in the next video.